Disclaimer. This video is made for entertainment purpose only. It doesn't mean to hurt any. And don't take it seriously.
That nigga.
Would you like to see my pet cat?
Hell nah.
Oh.
I don't like cats. I don't like cats. But I like your cat, by the way.
This one?
No, not that one.
Oh.
The other one. The other one.
I'm so hungry.
Do that shit again. Do that shit again.
What? My bad. I don't think you like that.
I don't think so.
You looking at you kind of funny.
He ain't even looking at me. Stop. Ow. That's supposed to be.
All the things I would do to you right now, shorty. I would tear that wig off your hair, man. Shit.
You gonna pay for it?
I'm not paying for shit. Hell no.
Don't. Oh, then.
I'm not paying for shit. That's gonna be like this, huh? Grab your ass. Where you from?
Your hand right there is suspicious.
We ain't doing that shit, nigga. We ain't doing that shit, bro. Fuck you talking about, man? Suspicious. Fuck you talking about? What's good, fine shit? Hey, girl, that's killer attack. You have sense, no man. Wagwan, bumbleclaw, me get you don't look good.
So you're not behaviors? Hey, shawty, fine shit.
Yeah, batty boy, that. That boy a batty boy. That boy a batty.
Yo, skinny tap.
Batty boy, that. I ready a girl boy fine shit. I ready a batty boy, that. Boy fine shit.
Hi. You're red.
What that? What?
You're red.
I'm black.
No, I'm yellow. I'm white.
I'm blue.
No, like your lighting's making you red.
I am red.
Oh, I thought you just said you're black.
I'm blue.
Oh, you're all the rainbows. Or you're all the colors in the rainbow. Are you gay? Because, you know, like you're all the colors in the rainbow. Okay.
That's so weird that shit, fuck gay. I don't do that shit, bitch.
It's Jamaican.
So she started for.
A Jamaican.
Woman just back on her.
What?
So what about it? You not find a man yet?
Yes.
So go look for him now.
What?
Woman say a bunny stop wearing now.
What?
A port. What's that? I'm not fraud. I'm not fraud, dad.
Right.
I'm not fraud. Skip me, I'm not fraud. None of Jamaican have blood. Not fraud. I'm not fraud, Charge.
No.
Can you skip me, please, and thanks me, big. Yeah, not fraud. What's good? Hey, bitch, you can lick off a cup. I'll really catch your ass. Yo, guys, she going on my OnlyFans. You see that she can suck dick good. You saw that? Huh?
Where you there?
Huh?
Where? There.
They the most. Where
Let me guess, you is from Kingston, Jamaica.
So where you have got to hear after me for so long?
I'm guessing you from Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah, Kingston, yeah.
You know where I come from?
No, I don't think Spanish
Saint
are
Elizabeth.
USA. What?
Saint Elizabeth. Saint Elizabeth.
Oh, that far from me?
I know.
We have so much attitude, man.
I'm in the country. You in Kingston makes sense. Anyways.
We have you so much attitude for.
But I'm not gonna lie. I don't live in Jamaica. I do live in foreign. But I am coming to Jamaica in a month.
I can't say that. Yeah.
I'm gonna be in Portmore and St. Elizabeth and
Montego.
I don't know if I'm going there though.
Oh.
I'm gonna be at the airport though, but.
So old you is?
I'm 18.
Yeah, look at girl.
I don't know why you doing that. You're literally what, 20?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, then. So what is you complaining for?
Hear me a complain?
In Jamaica, 20-year-olds be dating freaking 15-year-olds. Don't do that. What? It's a true fact.
Me no one of them.
It's a true fact.
Me no one of them.
Huh?
Me no one of them.
I'm not one of them. What the fuck?
Oh my. You have too much attitude in it. You have too much attitude. You.
I don't care. Like, what do you expect? I grew up from 2 Jamaican parents. Family that's Jamaican and from the Virgin Islands. What do you expect? Do you got a problem?
One of this one.
No.
One of that one for shut up.
You want one board?
Oh?
One board. Me box you with it.
They can't box me.
Yes, I can.
Well,
You want a bet? You know how many niggas did that too in Jamaica?
Cause of them, I be a fool, you know.
Yeah, cause they're like too obsessed with me. So
Oh, that a them clown them not obsessed with you, so.
it seemed like you is though, cause you just went like that. So
We need to be shut the ass up. You're talking.
I need to shut your ass up with a board. I'ma dash up in here.
You want some good fuck, but
What? I don't want no fuck, no sex, no none of
You
that.
want some good fuck.
It's
You
hard
want
to
some good
crack
fuck.
me. It's hard
Yeah,
to
top of
crack
that.
me. It's hard to crack me. I'm not easy. You can't crack me.
But I don't want to crack you, man. You look like a nut.
What?
You're not a nut. What the fuck? I don't want to crack you. The hell?
It's so move, no? Go on somewhere then. Go on.
But I don't want to see that person, you know, you. Who don't want to see that person?
I don't want to see you in person either, because I would dead ass big shit down. I'm not talking. I'm not all talk. You want to see? Do you want to see?
The only thing you show me, I must say, if you show me.
See
Listen, listen.
You crasses.
Listen.
You're crasses.
No, but
You're
no,
crasses.
God.
You're
No, me a
crasses.
crasses, God.
Big crasses everywhere. Jesus Christ. I need to stay away from you and your people them. Because I swear I'm finna box each and one of y'all. Each in a... Oh, Kingston? Boy, man. This is why I don't deal with Kingston, man. This is why I deal with Kingston, man. Y'all always in classes. It's always big something. It's always something with y'all. It's always something with y'all.
What book like? What is name that?
You see, when you go to bed, sleep with one eye open. Sleep with one eye open.
I love you, mama.
I don't love you, bitch. Ew.
You can't be my bitch.
I don't want to be your bitch. You is my bitch. Ho.
No, man, I worry. I don't want to fuck.
You suck too much dick. Move, no.
But I fuck, man, mama.
You clearly fuck man in the
But
body.
I fuck, man. But I do with them.
You probably down in the goalie with them body man them.
You want to join and goalie?
I don't want to join them. What you think this is? I
Dig
don't
out the
support
belly.
gay
Dig
people.
out the belly bottom. Dig out the belly bottom, mama. Dig out the belly bottom, man. I can't talk about it. Who you, man?
Go on now. You stick too much something there
Dig
in the
out the belly
body.
bottom, man.
You eat front.
Yo, y'all get going on.
Back to you.
Yeah, going on more. Yeah, blood. You chat too much. You chat too much now, bro.
You coming on?
Too much, bro.
What?
Want to eat that Jamaican girl, Missy, man. She chat too much, man. Bumba club.
I'm not Jamaican, baby.
I know you're not Jamaican.
Are you Jamaican?
Yeah, I am.
I can tell. Are you a freak? Oh my god, I don't.
The fuck?
I'm just asking.
Just second, just because you see my red light, that means I'm a freak? Fuck. Oh my god, nigga. That's crazy.
Yeah. My lights are red too.
I don't know.
I'm
What's
not-
good though?
You propped up like a freak though. I'm kind of scared.
Oh fuck.
Mariah, it's a red light on him. His shirt
This
is
out
like
popped
it's
up like a
he's like
Bro, wait. I got my pants on, nigga. What the fuck you talking about? Oh,
okay,
fuck.
good. Keep them on. Don't take them off. Shit. Stop, girl. You lame as hell.
What the
Anyways,
fuck?
keep
She
them
really
on.
video? Oh
Don't
my
take-
god, nigga, she videoing me. Oh my god, that's
You're not on
crazy.
video. She just got you on flash.
That's
It's
crazy.
just a flash fight.
She said I came on like a freak.
Yes. Stop. Fix your shirt and your collar.
My shit is good, man. I'm just chilling.
I'm on the phone though.
I like your light skin, by the way. It's clean. You got good skin.
I told you that. Thanks. Dumb bitch. You know how she just called me a dumb bitch? Don't give a
Well,
fuck.
do your shit, man. I'ma look like a freak if I guess. I don't know.
Oh my god, you freak ass nigga.
I'm not no fucking. Oh my god.
I'm so done with
I
freaks.
hope you got a great night and shit, man. I ain't no freak or whatever.
Bye, Freaky Bob.
I love you too, baby. Damn, she called me a freaky Bob. That's crazy.
I said, I'm sorry you feel bad.
Yo, nigga, you don't deserve her, bro. You don't deserve her, man. She look good, my nigga. You can't cheat on her, bro. She deserve better, man.
But not together. Not together.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright.
literally just met off a monkey.
I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. He's not the one for you.
My mouth is numb. Real.
Oh, shit, man.
Okay.
No want a Jamaican man. No want a Jamaican man.
You're from Jamaica? What? You're not a Jamaican man?
If you want a Jamaican man.
Why not? I guess.
So give me your number then.
I'm gonna give you my number, but I'll give you my snap.
Yeah, I don't use Snap. I don't use Instagram. I don't use none of that shit.
Well, it's snap or nothing.
Well, it's just what it is then, right? Fuck it.
That's Chloe's profile photo. It's so funny.
Okay, my heart. I love you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Love you too.
Make sure she get a husband too. You just fuck with your shit, nigga.
The fuck?
The fuck wrong with you, nigga?
You trying to look cute or something?
I'm ugly as fuck. Yeah, I know.
You're not ugly.
I know I'm warm as fuck. Where you from?
Louisiana, where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Period. Did this hurt?
Huh?
Did that hurt?
What? A tattoo?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what would hurt more?
What?
If I was inside you.
What they be saying? Real bad, man.
Real bumbo clap bad man. Not joking thing, you see me? Brawling badness. One night time in my life, though.
23, baby mother.
Mm-hmm. But what good? What's the vibe? What you want, man?
um, What you want?
So, like, can you turn on your light or some shit? I need to see all of you. I'm not gonna cap.
The fuck? You can't see me.
Not to be disrespectful, I love my black women, but
No, can't see me.
I can't see.
Too dark. Real black.
Yeah, you dark.
Can you see my complexion?
Kinda. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I know that shit. You get me what I'm saying? So, yeah.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm. So how old you is though?
18, how old are you?
I'm 27. I'm joking. Damn, do I really look 27? Fuck. I'm holy shit right now, nigga.
You look around 20, not 27.
I'm joking. Yeah, but yeah, I'm 20.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What the hell are you having in your mouth? Like, girl, turn your damn light on, man.
No.
You making me blind, bro. What you mean, nah? Bro, that shit crazy. That shit was crazy, my nigga. Oh God, man. Brother, more you shine light for me for? How can I style it?
So we can't shine light?
Yeah. You see me though? Fucking what?
I'm not see you lucky.
Me lucky, you lucky, her. So what you know, me see I shine light, no me can't see your face, no. How can I style it?
What?
No video have it still in there, but it good.
Oh, me video?
Yeah, check on good side, eh? Yeah, check on good side, you know.
But no one video.
Check on good side, man. Shine light for your face, huh? My finger longer than that, the too sharp, baby, though.
You're lucky.
Watch out, I'm show you something, too. You know, no more than that. Still too sharp. You done it?
You're lucky.
You forgot a bit of your man there. Huh?
You're on the phone.
Hey boy, your woman there say I chat to man. Hey there say boy you asleep. All you idiot.
Keep you like pee-pee.
Big clown, you know. Big clown. Big clown. Nigga, can you skip me? Can you skip me, please? I'm begging you.
You skip us. You skip us. Like a good boy.
My
You skip
finger.
if you like pee-pee.
The fuck? Nigga, go look for pee-pee someplace else, man. The fuck?
Is he dyslexic?
Get off my dick, nigga. Skip right now. Yeah, fuck out, you on, nigga.
Oh no. Got too many people watching me. Bye.